So in today's video, I'm going to be going over Instagram's new algorithm for 2023. So the algorithm is really going to come down to these 6 key things, and that's going to be originality, quality, timeliness, audience interaction, watch time, and then the uniqueness of your content. Now, as far as originality goes, you're really going to want to make your content stand out from the rest of your competition. The reason why is because a lot of the people within the same niche as you are going to be creating similar content. So you want to make sure that you have a lot of originality inserted in your own content so that the Instagram algorithm will push that further than a lot of the similar content that people like to just kind of copy and stuff like that. Now, another way to ensure you have originality within your content is to ensure that you have your own style of photo or maybe an overlay that you can put on top of all of your photos so that it'll give your page another different look than the rest of the pages within your niche. And then lastly, you can also make some thread posts where you give advice. Now, the second thing you want to do to make sure that your content gets pushed in Instagram's algorithm is make sure that you're putting out quality content. So you're going to want to make sure that the content you provide is quality. And the reason for this is because people aren't actually going to be able to digest your content if it's too low production. So whether you're trying to provide like entertainment, education, or anything of that sort, just make sure you're putting out good quality content and taking the time to do the research before you put it out to your followers and your audience. So you can also provide powerful insight instead of like brushing over a topic briefly, go into detail and give them more information than they're going to get from other platforms that may be covering the same topic as you. And then lastly, to add to the quality of your content, you can elaborate more in your captions as well. So let's say you want to post a video and you're talking about something, but there's more to the story. Go ahead and leave the rest of the information in the description. That way people can click on that and it'll increase more engagement and watch time on your video as a whole. So number 3 is going to be timeliness. And when it comes to posting trending content, you're going to want to make sure that you're posting it in a timely manner. If something is trending, try to be one of the first ones to post about it because the algorithm will actually promote your post more when you're one of the first people to post about one of the things that everyone is searching for at the moment. And then also when it comes to timeliness, you're going to want to understand the difference between evergreen and seasonal content. So evergreen content, real quick, is just going to be content that never really goes old, and then seasonal content is stuff that has an expiration date. So it might be relevant for about a week or two and then it's going to fall off. So just understand the differences, and when you're going to post those two, you can usually preserve evergreen content a little longer because it's not as timely, and then evergreen content, you want to really make sure that you're getting that out there first. Okay, so number 4 is going to be audience interaction. So to increase audience interaction in your posts, you're actually going to want to try to create a little bit of engagement. So whatever you're posting about, a nice and easy way to do this would be to put a caption where it can strike some sort of emotion or response from your viewers. This will just create a dialogue where it can probably encourage more people to start talking as well. And who knows, maybe it would even start a thread in your post and your comments would just be exploding, and that will actually increase your engagement as well. Because yeah, the more Instagram sees people engaging with your account and your posts, the more they will push it out to the rest of the users on their platform. Instagram just really wants to know if your audience really likes your content before they go ahead and push it out to all the rest of the people who are interested in content within your niche. Okay, so number 5 is watch time. Instagram gauges watch time to see whether or not people want to see your piece of content or not. My suggestion is to post shorts because that actually results in higher audience retention, and then make sure that your video gets to the punchline within the first 5 to 10 seconds of the video. And yeah, simply put, if people like watching your video, Instagram will suggest it to more people. And the last thing to know about Instagram's algorithm is actually going to be that you need to be posting unique content. This is going to be content that has a low competition rate and not everyone is posting about. And the less amount of posts that exist on a certain topic means the higher likelihood of Instagram promoting your content. So yeah, look to post things that people like, but other accounts in your niche aren't posting about yet. And yeah, just to conclude, Instagram isn't actually super forthcoming about how their algorithm works. So all of the tips and advice I provided in this video is from my own firsthand knowledge on growing my own social media accounts. I've noticed a ton of growth in the last 6 months after I started to identify these 6 things that the algorithm chooses to promote. And yeah, I really just wanted to share this with you guys because it took me a ton of time to learn how the algorithm worked, and I figured it would save you a ton of time as well. Hopefully this answered some of the questions you may have on how Instagram's algorithm will work in 2023. And yeah, if you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button, share with a friend, and subscribe for more content just like this. Here at StartupWise, we are dedicated to giving you free videos and guides to help you start your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.